And India has launched a landmark move to transform the country's rare earth manufacturing landscape. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved a $816 million scheme to promote the manufacturing of rare earth permanent magnets, or REPM. Now, REPM are critical components used across electric vehicles, renewable energy, aerospace, and defense. Listen to this.
India's requirement for permanent magnets is continuously growing, and to manufacture permanent magnets in India, the Union Cabinet, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved the Rare Earth Permanent Magnet REPM scheme. The scheme will focus on establishing end-to-end integrated manufacturing system and manufacturing facilities in India.
This is India's first ever initiative to create integrated permanent magnet manufacturing from rare earth oxides to finished magnets. Now, the move is aimed at achieving 6,000 tons per annum of production capacity. The scheme offers $723 million in sales-linked incentives over 5 years and $84 million as capital subsidy, with capacity to be awarded to 5 global winners, up to 1,200 tons per annum each. Driven by soaring demand from EVs, renewable energy, and electronics, India's critical minerals needs are expected to double by 2030. Most of it's currently imported. The new push promises to cut that dependence and build a complete domestic supply chain for strategic sectors. The new scheme will run for 7 years, including a 2-year period to set up facilities and 5 years for incentive payouts beyond industrial impact. The move has a strong geostrategic dimension. Rare earth magnets are dominated by China, and India's entry into large-scale production that could rebalance global supply chains, especially as nations worldwide seek alternatives to China-dependent processing routes. For India, this is also a critical step towards net zero 2070 as well. Electric mobility and renewable energy, both heavy users of rare earth magnets, are central to that transition. The scheme directly supports the government's long-term vision of a self-reliant, high-tech manufacturing economy under Viksit Bharat 2047. The key question now is, can India build a competitive world-scale REPM industry? And how quickly can domestic industries shift from import dependence to homegrown magnet technology? And one thing is clear, this move marks the defining moment in India's technological and industrial rise. Rajesh Gupta, founder and director of Recycle Karo, said India's demand for rare earth permanent magnets is expected to double by 2030. And global supply chains are entering a period of realignment. He adds this policy intervention comes at the right inflection point and creates the momentum needed to reduce import dependency, deepen critical mineral capability, and accelerate clean tech manufacturing.